Hi, good morning, everyone. So the sun is rising in Berlin from behind me, but I'm, of course, as everyone, virtual and based in Paris. So this is my pleasure to welcome you in this iSpace ceremony, this award ceremony. This is the fifth one in EBDVF story. We will explain you again what are those iSpaces, together with my colleague Daniel Alonso from ITI. And so let's start right now with the description. So sorry, I'm Laure Lebas from SAP and also Vice President of BDVA. So what is this iSpace concept that we developed a while ago before starting BDVA? So this is about, it's not just about infrastructure or bringing all people together. It's really ecosystem, it's research, it's innovation, education, business. You can see them, some of them as data incubator, accelerators, etc. They may contain open data, they may contain public or public data, private data. The idea is really to bring different actors together and really work on those data-driven innovation to look at the different technologies, make research, do test, pilot, exploit, etc. So we came pretty quick to this label of iSpace to really acknowledge what is currently happening in terms of exchange, in terms of good practice, etc. And the idea is really to go up to this federation on the European level. And also those iSpace could be a nucleus of what we call data innovation hub in Europe. So I pass the word to my colleague, Daniel, who will explain you the label process.
Yes, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to be here again. You mentioned before, this is the fifth year that we celebrate this ceremony. So basically, this is the process that in BDVA we follow to recognize every year relevant initiatives in Europe. The idea is again to identify relevant initiatives about experimentation and innovation in big data and AI, and basically to put all of them, to bring all of them together under this umbrella, which is the iSpaces concept. So basically, every year the BDVA publishes an open call to identify those, inviting all initiatives in Europe. So we publish an online survey to get all the information about those initiatives. We follow a very well consolidated review process, reviewing all those applications, and because we also select an external review committee composed of experts in different domains. So basically, after that, we submit the final proposal to the board of directors of the BDVA, and then we announce the final results to the iSpaces. And the final step on this process, of course, is the trophy ceremony that we usually celebrate, co-located with the European Big Data Value Forum, and this year it's a virtual one. So, and when did the story start? Well, it started back in 2016. It's only 4 years ago, but now it seems a long time ago. The iSpaces concept was included in the first version of the SRIA, the Strategic and Research Innovation Agenda of the BDVA, as a key instrument to foster data-driven innovation. As you can see there, also several achievements were also included in the roadmap implementation of the Big Data Value PPP. As Laure mentioned before, this is our fifth ceremony, and as you can see here, in 2016, BDVA recognized the first 5 iSpaces. The group has been growing during these last 5 years and increasing every year with more initiatives, relevant initiatives in Europe. I have to say that we are really proud not only about the number of iSpaces, but also about the quality, the power, and also the relevance of these initiatives, not only in Europe, but also in their respective ecosystems. And what is ahead of us? Well, basically, as you know, we are now facing several challenges. This year is a transition year, not only because the Big Data Value PPP finishes this year, and also most likely we will have this new AI PPP running next year. we from iSpaces Group, we want to also to keep collaborating with this PPP, also providing our knowledge, our asset, our experiences. Also, the current Horizon 2020 program also finishes this year, and we also aim to collaborate with the new instrument that the Digital Euro program is also putting in place. For instance, testing and experimentation facilities on AI, but also the European Common Data Spaces. And last but not least, the collaboration among the different iSpaces will be fostered and promoted in the scope of this new project that started this year, European Federation of Data-Driven Innovation Hubs, EUHubs for Big Data, that again aims at establishing a federation of hubs based on big data. So all in all, this is the map of our iSpaces. We didn't put names yet. You will see the names after the ceremony. As you can see here, the geographical extension is quite fair in terms of covering several countries and regions in Europe. Again, it's not only about the number, but about the quality of these iSpaces, and we have this project in place, EUHubs for Data, to create a network and foster collaboration among the different iSpaces. So now, with not more preamble, we will start the ceremony. We will start mentioning the iSpaces that have been recognized this year. There are 3 new iSpaces that are newcomers to the group, but also we are recognizing 10 iSpaces that were before iSpaces but had to apply this year to new the level. We will start by the bronze, and then we will go to the silver and gold level. So, Lo, the floor is yours now.
Thank you, Daniel. So this is my pleasure to welcome on stage the first iSpace in category bronze, so Latvian Digital Innovation Hub from Riga in Latvia. Aiga.
Hello, my name is Aiga Irmeja, and I'm Executive Director of Latvian IT Cluster Digital Innovation Hub. And we are one of the most recognized IT non-profit organizations in Baltics. We build strong innovation ecosystem and facilitate the development of sustainable industries through digital tools. And we are very proud that our endeavors to foster data-driven innovations is evaluated by iSpace label. So we look forward to being part of Big Data Value and EU Hubs for Data Networks to share, contribute, and collaborate on latest developments on data analytics, global sources, and services. Thank you.
Thanks, Aiga. The next, we start for the silver level, and Lo, the next one is.
Okay.
So
yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Dimos Ioannidis. I'm a senior researcher in CERT, and in particular in Information Technology Institute of CERT. We are very glad and honored to be part of the EBDVF Association, in particular in iSpace. We are confident that through this initiative, we will create synergies that will strengthen the digital transformation, of course, of SMEs and industries, not only in our region, in North Greece and in general, in national level, but also in the wider geographical area. Just to highlight that the infrastructure that we have that is digital and data-driven will be also complemented with an additional open, agile manufacturing infrastructure that we will also bring to iSpaces in the near future. Thank you.
Okay, then Demosthenes. Well, I'm saying by the channel that you cannot see the cameras of my colleagues here. I'm going to stop sharing the screen and start again because it seems that the video is not available. Let me. So I guess you can see all the pictures now, and let me just.
Okay, so thank you, Daniel. So the next one is still in category silver, HPC for Poland from Poznan. Adam.
Good afternoon, this is Adam Olszewski. Welcome from Poland. On behalf of 21 members of HPC for Poland, DIH, I'd like to thank you to the organizers. Thank you to iSpaces and EBDVA for accepting us in the group. We are hoping to contribute with good services. We received a small souvenir from you. which is still in the box. So I'm now officially unboxing the thing. And I'd like to say that for us, this is a symbolic key to your doors, to your infrastructures, and we are looking forward to co-creating new services, data-driven services together with all of you. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. The next one is a Smart Data Innovation Lab, which is coordinated by Karlsruhe Institute. We don't have Michael here because he was not able to make it, but he sent us this nice video that we want to share.
Hello, my name is Michael Weigel from the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. As a representative of the Smart Data Innovation Lab, short SDIL, I like to say that we feel very honored to receive the iSpace Silver Label Award. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Michael. A pity that you're not here with us. So the next one is Aragon DIH.
So Aragon DIH in the gold category now, so from Zaragoza.
Hello everybody. Thank you, Laure. Thank you, Daniel, for this award. Unfortunately, I don't have the trophy with me, so I cannot show it, but I would like to thank you, EBDVA and all the organizers for this award. It's been a long time, more than 4 years ago, that we started with this iSpaces network. And I would like also to thank my colleagues from Itainnova and from UNIZAR and from IAF, from the 3 founders of Aragon DIH. And again, I would like to collaborate with all of you, not only in the data-driven network of DIHs, but all over Europe in any other initiative regarding data. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much, Sergio. So we go to for the next one, gold label.
So, good morning, everyone. First of all, let me thank the BDVA to deliver us this nice trophy. And we are very happy and very proud of becoming a gold iSpace under and together with all the other ones which are under the umbrella of the BDVA. My name is Joan Mas. I am the director of the digital technologies at Eurecat. Eurecat is the Catalan Technology Center. We have been one of the pioneers on big data, on innovation on big data already 5-6 years ago. And we are very happy to say that the Big Data Center of Excellence has grown during 2020 and has become a center for innovation on data technologies and artificial intelligence. And therefore, we hope to see you again in 2021, now with a CDI on board. Thanks a lot, and thanks again to the BDVA.
Thanks, Joan, for the acknowledgement of the trophy.
So the next one in category gold is Cheddar from Dublin.
Hello, everyone. How are you doing? This is Ricardo, Head of Innovation and Development in CIDAR. So CIDAR is the National Center in Applied Artificial Intelligence and also is the Data Innovation Hub in AI in Ireland. So you can see this lovely picture there was taken 2 years ago when we were granted the Big Data Value iSpace Silver Label. You can see Edward McDonald there with me. Edward is the director of CIDAR and also receiving the trophy there from Lord Levars. And this year, we are very happy and proud to be promoted and receive the iSpace Gold label, particularly as CIDAR is expanding rapidly, and that will help massively. So on behalf of Edward and the whole CIDAR Center, I want to thank the BDVA, Daniel, Laure, Anna, and all the board of directors. So thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Ricardo. Well, I'm saying that you cannot see the cameras of my colleagues, so I'm really sorry for that. We will continue showing the slides, and at the end of the presentation, we will show all the cameras. Okay. So, look, the next one.
Cineka from Bologna.
Hi, thank you. Thank you to the BDVA for the invitation and thank you for the organization. Cineka is the Italian High Performance Computing Center, and it provides to the big data and artificial intelligence communities the ability to make applications run faster. thanks to the optimization and parallelization of algorithms and the scaling up of application. So I think all this has been recognized with the gold label of iSpaces. And I thank you very, very much. Thank you.
You're welcome, Roberta. So the next one, also in the gold category, is
EGI from Amsterdam.
Hi, I'm Sai Holsinger. I lead the strategy and innovation inside of EGI, which is a federated compute storage and data management service provider for research and innovation. So on behalf of the wider EGI Federation, we're quite proud of this gold label recognition because EGI actually first obtained the bronze label in 2017, then silver in 2018, and now gold in 2020. So though we don't have our trophy yet, rest assured, as soon as we do get it, we'll show it off. But in the meantime, thanks to Daniel and the BDVA for having pushed us through the years to continuously improve. We'll be sure to continue to work hard to retain our position amongst the others. So thanks again.
Thank you. So the next one is Rise from Luleo.
Yes, thank you, BDVA and everyone for awarding us a gold label again. We are RISE in Innovation Hub in the subarctic area, so it's kind of far north, but we are striving here with our focus is on green computing, data centers, and space data. So it is a lot of data and a lot of compute, and we are supporting the Nordics and Sweden and all of you working in this together with Daniel and others in this big Innovation Hub project. And we are very happy. It has given us such a recognition so far, being a gold for a few years, and we will continue to improve as an iSpace. So thank you again very much from the far north.
Thanks a lot, Doc, for the acknowledge. So next one, Lo, you can.
Thank you. So we go the other side in Valencia with ITI. Daniel.
Okay, thank you very much, Lord Daniel. Here, Laura Alcina, and the General Manager of ITI, and myself, Strategic Intelligence and Technology Transfer Director. Thank you very much. We are very, very proud, and we consider this recognition a very important recognition for us. We consider that the data innovation spaces are key elements for the evolution of digitalization of economy and society, and make more intelligent this society and industry. We congratulate for this to BDVA for starting from the beginning with this model of iSpaces, and we also congratulate all the iSpaces that has received the label, and encourage them to work collaboratively in the EU Hubs for Data project to build the Federation of Big Data Innovation Hubs and also the European Common Data Spaces. Thank you.
You're welcome, Danny. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. So the next one is No Center from Graz in Austria.
Hello, everybody. My name is Stephanie. I'm the CEO of the No Center, and we are very, very proud this year to have received the gold label. We started out 2016 already with a silver label, and have now managed to do the jump. And this is thanks to our accomplishments in the categories projects and business, where we are very exceptionally proud of. And in 2016, we also started a startup, a spin-off of the No Center, and we just managed to get our first exit this year. So this fits to this award, and we're very happy about it. And we're looking forward to working with all of you through the EU Hubs for Data and other initiatives. And thanks to BDVA and Daniel for pushing all this forward.
Thank you, Stephanie. Thanks a lot.
And last but not least, in category gold, Terra Lab, Anne-Sophie from Paris, next to me.
Yes, hello everyone. Thank you very much. I'm very happy to have this label. So Terra Lab is the data and AI platform from Institut Télécom in France, in Paris. This award is really a recognition from 7 years of work and collaborations within France, but also in Europe. Strong relation and big projects like EU Hubs for Data for the last one. So we are very proud of it, and we are here every year, and it's a great collaboration with BDVA, as we have this label since 5 years now. So thank you very much.
Okay, thanks a lot, Anne-Sophie. So now sorry for the technical issue, where we're not able to show the cameras of all my colleagues, but hopefully at the end of the presentation, we will take a picture of all of us. So I encourage my colleagues to switch on your cameras at the end of the presentation, so we will have time to make the whole picture of the group. Okay. So before finishing, I would like just to put names to all the iSpaces that I showed in my previous slide. As you can see here, we have not only the 13 iSpaces recognized this year, but also let me mention the 5 that were not needed to apply this year, which are Gemini Big Data in Norway, coordinated by SINTEF, Earth3S in Hanover, Machine Intelligence Garage in London, coordinated by Digital Catapult, Polytechnical University of Madrid, UPM in Spain, and also AHEAD, which is the iSpace coordinated by Demokritos in Greece. So all in all, this is the whole group. Again, we are very proud not only of the number, but also of the quality, relevance, and as you can see, as you have seen, the implication of all iSpaces in the activities of the group. So now, before finishing the ceremony and giving finally the talk to Law, I would like to encourage all DIH working with big data, artificial intelligence, experimentation and innovation to apply for the label next year. We will promote the label accordingly, but also we will publish the guidelines and also the questionnaire for next year. So please stay tuned to our social media and web page, because we will publish the instructions very soon. Okay. Lo, I don't know if you want to say something just to finalize the session before doing.
No, thank you. Thank you, Daniel, for the big work behind it, because it's not so easy, but it's a long process. But again, the idea is really to come together as a community all over Europe, whatever it takes today, and making sure we go beyond on this data-driven innovation. AI is also very important. So as Daniel mentioned, please apply next year as well. We have seen also over the last 5 years different progress, and hopefully many of you apply for the first time or apply from bronze to silver to gold, and we hope to have more and more of those gold next year. So thank you all, and we wanted to do this. We could have recorded videos and having, so some didn't receive the trophy, some received it, but it's still at the office, and because of lockdown, they cannot show it. But we still wanted to make it live, so with whatever technical issue we may have, but at least really to show this community and this federation all over Europe. So now I ask all of you, whoever has a trophy or show the one from last year, we don't care, nobody will notice, and we can make
Thor, can you switch on your screen, please, show your camera?
Thor, Björn?
Okay,
yeah,
perfect.
Thank you. So we have every one of you.
So congratulations to all of you. Thanks for attending. Thanks for your effort, and sorry to the audience for the technical issue. Thanks again. I will take the picture, and we are basically done.
Yeah, and applause to everyone.
Okay.
Thank you, and goodbye, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Good day.
Bye. Thanks, Daniel.
Daniel.